Welcome to Mother-Daughter Projects. I'm Steph. I'm here on the porch, and we actually rescreened this porch over 5 years ago, and we've had really no issues at all with the screen itself. But I recently got a new greyhound, and she was very unfamiliar with screen, so she didn't know that the screen was there, and she ran into it a couple times. She's totally fine, and the screen is mostly fine, but there was one spot where there's actually a hole, and I was maybe a little too excited, but I was like, now I can try out this product right here. This is called ScreenMend, and I saw it on Shark Tank a long time ago, and I wanted to try it out, but I never had the opportunity because there was never a hole in this new screen. So we're gonna try this out today, and it gives you the simple instructions back here on what to do. So it's gonna, all we need basically is we need this, we cut it to size, and then we're gonna use a hair dryer here to seal it in place. So let's get started. Open it up, and we have, there's two in here, so this is one, and this is the paper backing. So I'm gonna measure it and then cut it to size with just regular scissors. All right, so the first step is to cut the ScreenMend to the needed size, leave about a 1/2 inch overlap around the damaged areas, removing the paper backing. So let's get started. And the next step is to place the adhesive coated side against the screen, covering the damaged area. Hold the hair dryer at a distance of 1 inch, and using the high heat setting, apply heat until the ScreenMend adheres to the screen. Let's do it. What we learned. All right, so that was really fast, and I would say this worked perfect. It adheres really nicely. You can definitely see that it's patched. Like I thought it might, I thought it was magic where you wouldn't be able to necessarily see, but it's not magic, but it is fast, and it does a great job of patching, and I think this is gonna hold up very well. So it's a great solution to not having to replace the whole panel. Now, if there was way more holes in this, if there's holes towards the top, I would definitely just replace the whole panel, but this is a great fix for these kind of holes from, you know, as screen ages and you get little holes. I think this is a perfect solution. So if you've used this product, let us know in the comments. And by the way, this is Tosh. This is the one that created the hole. She's a sweet little dog. She just wouldn't get out of the shot. So you know what? We make it work. And if you want to see when we actually rescreen this porch, which was our very first project, I'll put a link to that right here. So thanks for joining us. Give us a big thumbs up, and we'll see you next time. Bye. Now I get to try out this product right here. Oh. I didn't realize you could see her that whole time framed.
You can see what?
She's in the frame. I thought she was out of the frame.
Oh.
That's really distracting.